Am I really getting the most out of my money, or am I letting subscriptions and fees quietly drain my bank account? That's the question I kept asking myself, and it's what led me to seriously dive into Rocket Money. It's not just another budgeting app, it's packed with specific tools that have been game changers for my personal financial planning. Based on my experience, there are 3 core tools that make Rocket Money an absolute must-have for anyone looking to get a grip on their money. 1. The Subscription and Recurring Bill Manager. The single most impactful tool for me was the Subscription and Recurring Bill Manager. Seriously, this one feature paid for the premium subscription within the first month. When I first connected my accounts, I was genuinely shocked by the sheer number of recurring charges that had flown under my radar: gym memberships I never used, forgotten free trials that had turned into paid services, and a whole host of streaming services I thought I'd canceled. Rocket Money automatically scans your linked accounts and pulls them all into one simple list. It clearly shows the vendor, the amount, and the last time it hit my account. The best part? The one-tap cancellation assistant. For easy-to-cancel services, you click Cancel, and the app does the heavy lifting, either by providing clear instructions or, with the premium service, having their team contact the company for you. I immediately found over $50 a month in ghost subscriptions I was able to cut. That's pure savings, straight into my pocket. 2. Bill Negotiation Service. Okay, this next one is the tool I was most skeptical about, but it delivered: the Bill Negotiation Service. This is where Rocket Money truly goes from being a tracking app to a money-saving assistant. I hate negotiating. I would rather pay more than spend an hour on the phone haggling with my cable or internet provider. Rocket Money offers to do it for you. You select a bill you think is too high, give them permission, and they contact the provider to negotiate a lower rate, find promotional deals, or get one-time credits. They take a cut of the savings, usually 30 to 60% of the first year's savings, but only if they succeed. In my case, they got my internet bill lowered by $20 a month for the next year. I paid them a one-time fee, but the remaining savings over the year were substantial, and I literally lifted 0 fingers. It's an effortless way to optimize a recurring expense. 3. Real-time net worth and spending insights. For a broader financial view, the combination of real-time net worth tracking and spending insights is essential for true financial planning. Rocket Money lets you link all your financial accounts: checking, savings, credit cards, investments, and even loans or mortgages. The net worth feature aggregates all of this, calculating your total assets minus your total liabilities to give you a single, updated net worth figure. This shifted my focus from just monthly budgeting to long-term wealth building. Seeing that number tick up month over month is incredibly motivating. The spending insights tie into this by providing detailed, categorized breakdowns of where every single dollar is going. The app's auto-categorization is usually spot on, and it highlights trends, like where I'm spending more this month than last. It allows you to create custom budgets for categories like groceries or eating out and sends me alerts if I'm approaching my limit. It's the daily awareness that fuels the long-term plan. These 3 tools, cutting subscriptions, lowering fixed bills, and tracking net worth, are the core of how Rocket Money has truly automated and simplified my financial planning. It's a powerful, straightforward approach to saving money and building wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.